you're looking for a way to make money online and create a business without necessarily being a software engineer or an e-commerce wizard, in this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways that you can use right now to make money on Amazon. Hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We're completely obsessed with selling on Amazon, e-commerce and marketplaces, and we're focused on the Middle East. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel as well as leave a like on this video so YouTube can share it with other like-minded people. 4 ways that you can make money on Amazon. Yes, there are 4 ways. Most people think, well, it's just about selling a product. But you can do retail arbitrage, wholesale, Amazon private label, as well as be an Amazon associate. I'm going to go through all of the ways so that you can make the necessary or the right decision. But also, please note that you could actually do all of those 4 things at the same time. Let's get started with retail arbitrage as well as wholesale. So they're very similar together, so I'm going to group them together. Retail arbitrage basically focuses on the concept of finding these branded products, well-known products. Wholesaling is more focused on selling generic products that you can find on Alibaba, for example. But the concept of doing this type of selling on Amazon means that you are basically finding a product that's doing really well on Amazon and you're just becoming a reseller. This is an example of retail arbitrage, brand Fancy Feast by Purina, very well-known cat food. And as you can see, this is the listing created by the brand themselves, but you will also see that there are 18 other sellers selling this product. The idea is that these sellers, these 18 sellers, have not created the listing, they're not advertising, they're not doing anything, they're just offering the same product at different prices and different delivery options. Here is another idea for retail arbitrage, or another option, which is a little bit easier than selling pet food or food in general. Champions is a very well-known brand, and as you can see, there are 10 resellers selling this exact beanie, also at different price points and different delivery options. You'll never run out of options or products to sell using this method because literally hundreds of products are added to the Amazon catalog on a weekly basis. But for this type of selling, you need to think that you have to have a lot of products that you are selling in order to maintain a good enough revenue. This is an example of a wholesaler or a retail arbitrage store on Amazon. As you can see, lots and lots and lots of products, almost 1,000 products being sold by the seller, because that's what you need to do when you're doing retail arbitrage or wholesaling, because your profits per product are very low. You need to ensure that you're selling multiple products. Now, the third way of selling is my favorite, but it does really require more skills and it does require more time and more investment. And that's Amazon private label. The idea behind doing Amazon private label is that you are actually creating your own brand. The reason why I like it is because it does require a little bit more technical skills and it does require a little bit more marketing skills, but it's also something that's long-term for sure. And you just basically need to make sure that you don't make the common mistakes. And this is the example of private label. As you can see here, the brand has created an incredible product. It's actually #1 bestseller in the automotive category. They have developed their own store. Look how many ratings they have. And they are responsible for everything on this listing. And nobody else is allowed to sell this product since it is a private label for the product or the brand itself. Plulidiki. Very odd name for a brand, but you know, if it works, it works. As you can see, they have also multiple products that they are selling under the same brand. And finally, method number 4 is becoming an Amazon associate. What does that mean? It's basically entering into Amazon's affiliate program. It's perfect if you are like a person that creates content online and anybody that likes to share what they purchased or something like that, because the idea behind it is that you register, you get your own private code or your own private link, depending on which marketplace that you are selling in or that you are associated with. And then, for example, you can create a cute TikTok, or you can create a nice Instagram reel, or even on Facebook, or even if you are part of a WhatsApp group, a big WhatsApp group, you can promote that product and then send the people your private link or code. And then if they purchase the product using your link or code, you'll get paid. You'll get a commission. The Amazon Associates Program, or Amazon's affiliate marketing program, is actually available for all of Amazon's marketplaces, all of them. So choose the one not where you actually live, but choose the one where your followers live. Since you are going to be selling products to where your followers or people that you know live, then you want to ensure that they can purchase the product from the Amazon that you are promoting. So for example, even if you live in the UAE, but you have a lot of followers or a lot of people that you know that live in the US, then it would make more sense for you to become an Amazon associate on Amazon US and vice versa. Check this out. It's actually quite simple to sign up for the program, and it doesn't require a lot of things to do. You simply sign up, you start recommending products to customers, and you start making up to 9% in affiliate commission. To learn a little bit about product research and the exact steps to finding a successful product to sell on Amazon, then make sure that you check out our free masterclass. You'll find the link in the description of this video. If you want to work with our team, the Amazon Sellers Society team, to launch your very own business, your private label business on Amazon, make sure that you check out the Done For You service program. I'll leave the link right here, but you'll also be able to find the link in the description box of this video, and you'll be able to book a consultation call with our team to learn a little bit more. Make sure that you check out this video to learn how to properly find the product that is in demand on Amazon. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.